Welcome to the FlexLink online store. Let's take a look at how to access and navigate the new platform. On the homepage, you can start your journey through FlexLink solutions, products, and news. Use the top navigation bar to browse by industry, product, or to access the configuration tool directly. Explore FlexLink product portfolio that can support your needs with tailored solutions for your industry. Learn how FlexLink can help your operations through the new configurator or by contacting our representatives. All the way to your shopping cart. This is the new online store, your new platform for designing and purchasing your FlexLink solution. In the next tutorial, we'll explore how to search and configure products.